Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use the Molina Healthcare Portal. So let's get started. The Molina Healthcare Portal is an online space where you can manage your health plan easily. It helps you access your information anytime, anywhere. The portal lets you check your digital ID card, view your plan details, track claims, change your primary care provider, and find helpful resources. Everything is organized, simple, and designed to save you time. The best part is, it's very user-friendly. You can create an account quickly with your state, member ID, and date of birth. This is great because it makes setup stress-free. The portal also shows your digital ID card instantly, which is super convenient. You can change your PCP in just a few taps. Tracking claims is smooth, and updates appear clearly. Another big advantage is the support section, which helps you get assistance whenever you need it. Overall, it feels fast, simple, and reliable, but there are a few drawbacks. Sometimes the portal may load slowly, especially during busy hours. Some users might find the account verification steps a bit long, and certain features depend on your state plan, so not everything will be available to everyone. The design is simple, but it may feel limited if you expect advanced tools or visuals. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.